Listen, y'all see it. You see some strawberries. We're making strawberry and cream pastry bites, okay? Listen, these things right here are going to be the bomb, I promise you. So we're going to get started. So I have already rinsed and cleaned and took off the stems and the leaves of my strawberries. So what I'm going to do is start cutting them down because I do want to have these diced up smaller than what they are. What do y'all have planned today? So I got my strawberries chopped down. Next is going in some squirts of lemon juice. You can use the real lemon if you want to, but this is what I had. If you're using the liquid lemon juice, you want to shake it up always before you use it. And I'm just putting some squirts over in there just so we can preserve my strawberries. Also, going in, and this is a quick dish, y'all. This is something simple you can make for the kids. If you're going to a brunch, this is something simple. I'm going in with a splash, probably about a half tablespoon of vanilla. If you want to put more, you can. Vanilla extract is very strong, just remember that. So next, I'm going in with my Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to get this mixed up for y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited. I get excited when I make desserts because y'all know I'm not a baker, okay? So I make quick and simple desserts, especially when I got to feed my mom or somebody asks me to make something that they've had before from me. No, I can't do that yet because I got to add something else. This is some sugar. Now, I'm going to do probably about a half cup at first, and I'm going to get this mixed in, okay? All right, y'all, I've got the filling for our pastries mixed in. And don't worry if you see some chunks of the cream cheese. Don't worry. It ain't gonna even matter once you get it in the pastry and they bake in the oven. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. This is one of the quickest desserts you can ever make. And oh my gosh, it's so good. I've had it so many times. I can't believe this is my first time making it on the channel. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my pastry and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I got my pastry, and as soon as I took one of the pans out the refrigerator, it popped on this end, so but it's okay. So we're using Pillsbury crescent rolls. You can use whatever brand you want to use. That's just what they had. And if they had the off brand, I would have got the off brand. All right, so I'm just going to spread this out. And remember, y'all, this is so easy, so please don't make it hard. So I'm just going to roll this out. And we're going to roll it just like we would regular crescent rolls, okay? All right, so I have rolled out my crescent rolls. And I got them laying over here on a smaller cutting board because I want to show y'all step by step how I'm going to do it. And I got my baking pan right here, ready to go. I got my parchment paper already. All right, so I got one triangle of the crescent roll, and you're going to take our strawberry and cream mixture, and you want to take like a spoonful, not too much. And if it oozes out, y'all, that's just more goodness, okay, when it bakes. Because what it did, it made a strawberry glaze. Y'all, this is going to be the bomb. If you've never tried it, please try these. And this is all you have to do. You roll them up with the filling on the inside, and you see how it's oozing out already right there? That's just going to be glazed to sop it up, okay? Y'all know how to eat. Y'all know. All right, so I'm going to do one more or a couple more. All right, got my spoonful. And you're just rolling it like a crescent roll. You don't want to squeeze it too much, but if it squeezes, it's okay. All right, I'm going to do another one. And since I got 2 cans, this is going to make, I think, 16 crescent rolls, okay? So that's going to be perfect to share. And when I say share, normally it's my mom, maybe 1 or 2 other people. Like I said, you don't want to overdo it. But if you do, ain't nobody mad. I'm just saying. I'm sure somebody's going to see it. And I have 1 subscriber that pays attention. Y'all, my nails are kind of chipped up today because it's time to paint them. And I have been so busy, I haven't had time. I try to paint my nails every week. But just to my subscriber, I don't want to call him out, but he know who he is. Y'all, he is a faithful subscriber. And he's been with me for a while. And he's so nice. He pays attention to everything. He makes a lot of the dishes. And, you know, I enjoy him being around, okay? He always emails me and, you know, he suggests stuff, or, you know, he makes a lot of the dishes because he's a single father raising his kids, and he asks, you know, whatever he needs to know. But he is a loyal subscriber. I can definitely say that. And I appreciate him so much. So, oh my gosh, y'all. I hope y'all try this recipe because it's so good. Your kids is going to love it if you go in and make them with the kids. You see how this front roll split up? That's okay. You just knead it back together. Just like dough is cement. It's supposed to be, you know, kind of glued back together. All right, so I'm going to finish rolling these up, and I'll bring y'all back, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm done rolling my croissants, and it made a pan and a half. So what I'm going to do, we're almost done. All I did was took 1 egg, beat it up, and I'm going to use my little pastry brush, and I'm going to paint the egg on there so it can be nice and golden. Yes, y'all, listen. I'm telling y'all got to try this. It's not nothing hard. You ain't got to go to the bakery and pay probably $18 for 6 of them. Put it in the oven. You want to follow the instructions on the back of the package of the crescent rolls. It says 9 to 12 minutes, but for me, I normally leave it in a little bit longer just because I want to make sure they're done, because we have filling on the inside of these. So the instructions on the back is for just straight up dough. So yeah, we got filling in these. So yeah, they're going in the oven. And as you see, I had some strawberries and cream left. Listen, you don't have to throw that away. You can definitely make you some pancakes and put this on top of it, as, you know, instead of syrup. What in the heck was that, syrup? So yeah, you can put this on top of it because it's nothing but strawberry, sugar, and cream cheese. Y'all, it's so good. This is what IHOP does. This is what, you know, a lot of these diners do. They make stuff like this and put it on top. So I'm not throwing mine away because I'm going to make French toast probably. But yeah, or I may take some graham crackers and crumble it on top and just eat it like that. See, you got to be creative. So I'll bring y'all back when these are done and I'll let you know how long they stayed in the oven. Okay? All right. I'll let it cool down a little bit. I'm going to take this one right here. And you see how they burst open with that strawberry glaze? Oh my gosh. Y'all, and you can take some more of that filling that was left in that bowl, and you can put some on top, which is what I'm finna do right here. All right, y'all, this is definitely gonna be my breakfast. So I just put some in a container over here, and I'm just gonna scoop some out. Put some on top. Oh, I passed out. Y'all gotta try this recipe. I'm telling you, this is so good. Y'all, you hear that crunch from that pastry? Oh my gosh. It's warm. I'm smacking. It's so good. Y'all gotta try this recipe. Thank you for supporting the channel and watching the videos, sending me emails. Please make this dish for your family, your kids.